isang congressman. Si Congressman I forgot the name of this congressman. Pinipin down po niya ang president para sa isang affidavit na pinirma ni Garma na wala naman pong hawak ang ating presidente, former President Duterte. Dito po, I think Congressman...
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Congressman Raj. Mr. President, I will rephrase. Just to reiterate the context, this is not to confront you with the affidavit, but we want to reconfirm your statement with your interview with Attorney Panelo. Because, just for your information, Mr. President, we understand you do not have the affidavit now. But one of the bits and pieces that was relayed by Colonel Garma is that you contacted her looking for a person with a particular skill set and religious affiliation to help you manage and drive your drug war. Now, that fact...
Yan po yung tanong ng congressman na ito laban sa ating Pangulo. Nirephrase na po niya yung question at binalik na po niya sa tinindits ni Attorney Panelo.
Your corroboration in that interview, does that not jive with what Colonel Garma is saying?
Ito na po ang sagot ng ating presidente.
It does not jive because I was looking for a particular person. Maybe a member of that sect, but it had to be one who has the brain, the ball to do the job.
So, Mr. President, if you were looking for a person to fill that position, what position did you have in mind? Was this your drug war czar?
No. May drug enforcement unit tayo siguro.
So yan po, pinipilit nila na ang Pangulo ay bumuo ng isang grupo na mangunguna para pumatay para sa drug war. So ginigit po na ating Pangulo na wala siyang ginawa na ganong grupo at napaka bobo naman po niya kung pangunahan niya ang agency ng PNP na so ayan po ang patuloy na sagutan ni I think Congressman Enriquez.
For someone with the smarts and the balls, sorry for the language, you were looking for someone of that capacity. Now, according to Colonel Garma, you were looking for that person to manage your drug war. But you are saying now that it is not to manage your drug war because you couldn't create that position.
It's your statement. Do not bind me with your statement.
No, I'm now asking
yes.
the President about your statement. Why were you looking for someone with the brains and the capacity? Ano po yung job na...
Pinipilit po ng congressman na ito na ang Pangulo, sorry po, ang Pangulo.
Alam mo, that is why we are not succeeding because drug money is supporting the syndicate. Madali ang pera.
So, sinasabi po ito ng ating Pangulo, dating Pangulo, na hindi po tayo nagsasucceed dahil maraming pera po ang drugs, mga drug lord, at kaya niya magsuporta ng sindikato, siyempre ng mga politician din po.
Hindi tayo magulihan natin kung sino ang guilty, kung sino ano. Nandito na tayo sa totoo. Huwag na tayo maglayo dyan sa totoo.
So, Mr. President, you are confirming that you are looking for someone to fill the shoes of a position related to the drug war.
Pinipilit po talaga ni Congressman na ang Pangulo ay mayroong binuo na isang lugar, isang grupo para sa papatay. Ang sinasabi ng Pangulo ay ang Iglesia ni Cristo ay hindi nakukurap. Yes.